It's almost Friday, and that means we have a ton of contracts expiring. Like I talked about in the last video, I have 30 contracts or maybe 32 contracts set to expire tomorrow. We are going to roll them out. What we've done today, we did collect, let's check, I believe we collected, we sold a put on ARRY. We sold 3 of them. We collected $123. So that puts us at $228 on the week for selling options, and then we'll have another $106 for dividends coming in. So that'll put us at 300 and some bucks. But our big money is going to come tomorrow because we are going to roll some serious positions. And I've had a couple people ask in the comments, so I wanted to take a few minutes to explain what a rolling a position is and why you would do it. So when I sell a cash secured put, that means I'm agreeing to buy a stock for a predetermined price at a predetermined expiration date. But let's say we get close to that expiration and I don't feel like buying that stock just yet. Or I still feel like I can collect more credit or more premium by rolling it out another week. And what that means is I'm going to set a further expiration date out, maybe a week, maybe a month. The farther out you go, the bigger the credit you collect. And because of that, I like rolling positions for stocks that I want to buy, but I don't necessarily want to buy yet. And it allows me a little bit more time and allows me to capture a little bit more premium. So we're growing our account while rolling out positions. Now, on the other side, why would I roll a covered call? When you sell a covered call, that means you own at least 100 shares of the stock, and you are interested in selling that stock for a predetermined price. Well, I might roll that position because I don't necessarily want to unload those shares for that price. So here's a perfect example of that. I have NIO 450 calls. It might go above 450 tomorrow, and that would mean I'd have to have to sell my 300 shares of NIO for $4.50. Which in my opinion is completely undervaluing the stock. I believe this company will be in the double digits in the future. So I don't want to sell just yet. So I will continue to roll this position farther out and collect a nice premium for doing that. So I've rolled this position for about a month now, rolling it a week at a time, collecting around $40 a week every week. It's almost like a dividend that I invested like $1,200 in to get. So I'm collecting a nice premium from it every week, and I'm growing the account. So those are the reasons I would sell options. And we're starting to get a lot of new people to investing on the channel, and that's wonderful. And I think the thing that's drawing people in is I'm very transparent on what we're doing. And then the other thing is, I'm trying to stress that you don't need to invest for 30 years from now all the time. You can invest today to achieve the financial freedom you want today. So like I've talked about in multiple videos, I've taken money from this account to invest in the real estate licensure. I'm going to take money from this as well to I'm going to take money in this and roll it into coding. I'm going to learn how to code a little bit better. I've learned a little bit from YouTube and stuff, and I built my own stock screener, which is kind of what has allowed me to find all these small cap trades. I'd be happy to send that to anybody. But I invest in things that allow me to generate income today. Selling options, collecting dividends, real estate, real estate licensure. I'm going to do the coding. I've started some businesses, and also I sell courses. On Fiverr, I do have $75 a month, and we'll do 6 one-on-one sessions, as well as every trade I'm making while I'm making it, why I'm doing that, and a few other things that go into it. So if you're new to trading, or you're interested in kind of getting a little bit more education on it, I recommend checking it out. Love to chat with you. I want us all to grow together. There's no reason we can't all be successful. So I wanted to really take a few minutes in today's video because I didn't make a lot of plays. Tomorrow will be solely focused on plays. I wanted to kind of give an update and an idea on what we're doing, on why you would roll positions, what it means to sell a covered call, what it means to sell a cash secured put, things like that. And if you have other questions, please do not hesitate to put them in the comments. I'd be happy to reply, and I've seen other people reply as well. Happy to do it. Drop your questions in the comments. Also, if you have a stock that you love selling options on, put it in the comments for me, because I use a stock screener to identify, one that I built, identify all my plays, but it's not looking at everything, and you might have some ideas that I'm not, privy to, or if you have some LLCs you're starting and you want to kind of bounce ideas off, put it in there, because I have a couple of those as well. I love talking shop, and I love the opportunity for us all to grow and be successful together. So if you like this content, help me out. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and let's grow.